Hello and hello friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and let's some walk. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of story, bounce beyond time. So now let's go. In a quaint village nestled between the rolling hills, two boys, Arjun and Ravi, share a friendship as old as time. From building tree houses to racing through fields, their bond was unbreakable. Despite their differences, Arjun being a dreamer who loved painting the sky with his imagination, and Ravi a practical thinker who excelled in sport, they complemented each other perfectly. One summer, a traveling fair arrived in the village. Among the attractions was a magical fortune teller. Curious and excited, the boys approached her. She looked into their eager eyes and said, "Your bond is a rare one, destined to withstand the test of time." Years passed and life led them on the different paths. Arjun pursued his passion for art in the bustling city, while Ravi remained in the village, becoming a beloved coach. Though distance separated them, but their hearts remained connected. One day, Arjun faced a major art exhibition that could be defined his career. Overwhelmed with self-doubt, he almost gave up. That evening, he received a letter from Ravi. Inside was a simple yet profound message. "Remember, my friend, sky is your canvas, paint it with the colors of your dreams." Rejuvenated by his friend's words, Arjun gave his best performance, earning accolades and recognition. Meanwhile, Ravi, inspired by Arjun's perseverance, instilled the same spirit in his students, fostering a new generation of dreamers and achievers. In last, moral of the story is true friendship transcends time and distance. It's a bond that encourages, uplifts, and inspires, proving that genuine connections are timeless. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you hurt from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues, I'll take them and